everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Are Clean. We are working on a school today. We'll be cleaning up this concrete block wall right around. You can see how far gone it is. We'll be cleaning up all this concrete as well for them. This is the entrance to their Performing Arts Centre. So we'll be doing all of the steps here, as well as the block wall, and you can see how green this concrete has become, and it gets very slippery when it's wet. So that's what we're up to. I'll show you the process as we go and look forward to getting some good results for them. We will be using a chemical wash because a lot of all this black stuff you're seeing here on the concrete is mould. Yeah, so there we go. Hope that's helpful. And look at this side of this wall. I mean, it's just, yeah, is it really white any longer? So these are the finished results. You wouldn't recognize it. Look at that. This is actually the original color of the concrete, and as you can see, where it dries, it's actually gone back to that beautiful bright gray. When this dries, it's going to reflect so much light, the whole place just is going to look and feel completely different. Now look at these steps that we've got here. All come up really good. And then you can see here how it'll look when it's dry. Okay, so look at this block wall that we have now. It's almost like new, almost like new. All the rendered walls here, you can see that come up really good. Absolutely gorgeous. If you remember these, go back to the beginning, you'll see what these rendered walls look like. They were almost browny green, couldn't see the bloody beige. Look at this wall here, come up beautiful. And then round here, and this is where it really comes into its own. This is what I mean when you have a clean surface, the amount of light that it kind of reflects. Plus the fact that from a public perspective now, they don't need to worry about anyone slipping on this surface or getting hurt. It's completely clean and clear. Doesn't matter if you're commercial or residential, either way, we do both kinds of work, or industrial. Give us a call, we'll be happy to help you. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and thanks for watching, and stay in touch.